Om Hrim Suryaya Namaha. Weak sun remedies. Weak sun represents in your chart when sun combines with Rahu or Ketu. When sun is in Tula Rasi, do the following remedies. Chanting Gayatri mantra is a great remedy for weak sun. Chanting Surya Bija mantra is a great remedy for weak sun. That is Om Hrim Suryaya Namaha. Offering water to the sun is a great remedy for weak sun. Please wake up before sunrise. It is a great remedy for weak sun. Wearing a coral or ruby to right hand ring finger in silver is a great remedy for weak sun. Dedication towards family responsibilities is a great remedy for weak sun. Mainly everyone have to do Gayatri mantra is a great remedy. Adding chandan in water and offering to Bhagavan Surya by reciting 12 names is a great remedy for weak sun. Please avoid salt on Sundays, especially if you are in watery sign. Donate wheat gram to poor people nearby the temple. Chanting Aditya Hridayam is also a great remedy for heart patients. Best remedy for weak sun is respect your father. Please touch your father feet on Sundays. Do Upasana for Gayatri mantra. Please avoid low salt and liquor and non-veg also. Give wheat atta to any one young Brahmin in your nearby temple. Mainly wearing Surya Yantra is a great remedy for weak sun. Offer water in copper vessel to the Lord as early as possible in morning doing Gayatri mantra. Best remedy for weak sun is to give water to sun and bath in it. Reciting Aditya Hridayam Surya Ashtakam, respect your father, donate wheat and equal to your weight if possible. Respect your father. First respect your father. Follow the rules laid down by the government. Never go against the law. Weak sun may be good in 2 days, but it does not work out. Donate 500 grams of wheat to the priest of the temple for every 9 Sundays. It will be a great remedy. Wearing ruby stone is a great remedy. These are all the remedies for weak sun in your chart. Please do these remedies for weak sun in your chart. Get good results for weak sun in your chart.